Finding the right raised toilet seat can make a huge difference in comfort, safety, and independence. I tested 5 popular models designed for elongated toilets to see which ones actually feel sturdy and easy to use. If you're shopping for yourself or helping a family member, this review should make the decision a whole lot easier.
Product number 1. Bemis Assurance 3-inch raised toilet seat with handles. When I installed the Bemis Assurance seat, the first thing I noticed was how incredibly solid it felt. Once it was bolted onto the toilet, there was almost no movement at all, which immediately gave me confidence. The 3-inch height increase made sitting down and standing back up much easier on my knees, and the built-in handles provided excellent support without feeling flimsy. I also liked that the seat looked clean and well finished, instead of having the bulky appearance many raised seats have. During cleaning, the clean shield design kept the underside much cleaner than expected, making maintenance simple. The smooth plastic surface wiped down quickly, and installation didn't require anything complicated. It's easy to understand why occupational therapists often recommend this model. If safety and long-term durability are your biggest priorities, this is one of the strongest options I tested. Another model, though, blends into your bathroom even more naturally.
Product number 2. Kohler Heighten 3-inch Elevated Soft Close Elongated Toilet Seat. The Kohler Heighten impressed me before I even installed it because it looks almost identical to a regular toilet seat. If you don't want your bathroom to have a medical appearance, this design really stands out. Once installed, the 3-inch raised height felt natural while making it much easier to sit and stand. The contoured seat stayed comfortable during everyday use, and I appreciated the soft close width that quietly lowered without slamming. The grip-tight hardware held the seat securely in place, and I liked that everything tightened from above the bowl, making installation much easier than I expected. The quick release feature also made cleaning underneath simple, which saves time in the long run. If you want extra height without sacrificing appearance, this is an excellent choice. While this version is designed for elongated toilets, I also tested the round version to see how it compares.
Product number 3. Kohler Heighten 3-inch Elevated Soft Close Round Toilet Seat. Although this version is designed for round toilets instead of elongated ones, I wanted to compare the overall quality because the design is nearly identical. Right away, I noticed the same comfortable contour and premium finish that I liked on the elongated model. The 3-inch lift provided excellent support while standing and sitting, especially for anyone dealing with hip or knee discomfort. During testing, the seat remained stable without shifting, thanks to the grip-tight bumpers underneath. The soft close lid worked smoothly every time, and the quick release feature made removing the seat for cleaning incredibly simple. Installation also followed the same straightforward process using the top-mounted hardware. If your bathroom has a round toilet instead of elongated one, this version delivers the same dependable performance and polished appearance. For those who prefer a simpler riser that works beneath an existing toilet seat, my next pick is worth considering.
Product number 4. Carex Toilet Seat Riser for Elongated Toilets. When I installed the Carex Toilet Seat Riser, I immediately appreciated how discreet it looked. Since it fits underneath your existing toilet seat, it doesn't dramatically change the appearance of the bathroom. The added 3.5 inches made getting on and off the toilet noticeably easier, especially after repeated testing. Once everything was bolted into place, the riser felt stable without unwanted movement. I also liked that I could continue using my original toilet seat instead of replacing the entire assembly. Installation took a little longer than some other options, but once finished, it stayed securely attached. With a 300-pound weight capacity, it feels dependable for everyday use. If you're looking for a simple height boost while keeping your existing toilet seat, this model does exactly what it's supposed to do. The final option adds another convenient feature that many users will appreciate.
Product number 5. Carex Hinged Elongated Toilet Seat Riser. The Carex Hinged Toilet Seat Riser quickly became one of my favorite designs because of its practical hinged feature. During cleaning, I could simply lift the riser instead of removing the entire unit, which made keeping the toilet much easier. The extra 3.5 inches of height reduced strain on my knees and hips every time I sat down or stood up. Once installed beneath the existing elongated toilet seat, it felt secure and stable throughout my testing. I also appreciated that it maintained a fairly normal bathroom appearance without adding bulky handles or oversized frames. Even though the installation required a little patience, it rewarded that effort with a sturdy, dependable fit.
If you want a permanent raised toilet solution that's easy to maintain and blends nicely into the bathroom, this is a smart option that balances convenience, comfort, and everyday practicality.
Those are my favorite raised toilet seats for elongated toilets after testing each one. The best choice depends on your mobility needs, bathroom setup, and budget. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and availability. And if this review helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more honest product reviews.